$20,000 seller credit. On a cul-de-sac in the FireWise Certified and gated community of RidgeWater, Bates Homes has created a perfect environment to enjoy all 4 seasons in your climate-controlled home. This single-level model features open floor plan, coffered ceilings, covered patio, dining area, mudroom and large pantry. The kitchen is bright and cheery with white cabinetry, quartz countertops, farm sink and stainless steel appliances, and lots of room to entertain during the 300 days of Klamath County sunshine. Set back with a long driveway on over half-acre, enjoy numerous wildlife viewing and birding opportunities to bring nature to you, either through the large windows or on the extensive trail system. Enjoy the over 5 miles of private trails to hike.